Let me tell you something most traders will not say out loud. Most traders are not losing because they don't have a strategy. They are actually losing because of how they behave, how they manage risk, and how they think. If strategy alone makes traders profitable, then everyone with YouTube access would be rich by now. So in this video, I want to explain the real reason why about 90% of traders lose in a simple way you can understand and actually apply. Watch this video to the end because fixing one of these can actually transform your trading journey. The number one problem is this: it is not strategy. Most beginners believe that changing strategy or jumping from one strategy to another will solve the problem. They jump from ICT to smart money to indicators to something new every week, thinking that will save them. The problem is not strategy, the problem is lack of consistency. The strategy you are using needs time for you to repeat it over and over and over again. That strategy will work with consistency over time. Changing strategy is not the problem. Constantly changing strategies will reset your learning process and get you stopped. 2, overtrading kills accounts. Overtrading feels productive but is very dangerous. Most traders think that more trades mean more money, but in reality, more trades means more mistakes. Fatigue, impatience, and emotional decisions start creeping in. Professional traders wait for high quality setups, not every moves. Less trading will help you think clearly and get a better result. 3, poor risk management. Risk management is what keeps you in the game. Most traders risk too much on one trade. One bad trade or one emotional decision can wipe out days or weeks of progress. And you don't want that anymore. Successful traders think in percentage, not emotions. They accept small losses so they can survive long enough to catch big opportunities. 4, emotional trading. Trading exposes your emotions very quickly. Fear makes you to close trade very early, and the greed makes you to hold winning trades long or increase your lot size. And the revenge trade makes you to chase losses. You need to learn emotional control. If you do not do that, the market will keep pushing you around, regardless of how good your strategy is. 5, not having a trading plan. If you do not have a trading plan as a trader, that means you are like someone who is driving without a direction. A lot of traders enter trade without knowing where to exit, when to exit, and even when to stop trading. Some don't even know how much to risk or how much they are risking in dollar. Some do not know when to stop. These are the things that leads to random trades. When you enter trade randomly, you will get a random result. And when you start getting random results, it leads to emotional stress and depression. A trading plan creates a structure for you. It tells you when to execute a trade, how to execute a trade, when to wait, and when to walk away. That's what a trading plan does for you. Next is fake expectations from social media. The social media has damaged the trading expectations. People post more wins than losses. They post their profits, not their drawdowns. And this creates the pressure to perform and rush results. Real trading is slow, boring and discipline. And that boring is what keeps you profitable. Next is mentor worship. Many traders believe that copying a mentor is what will keep them profitable. But the answer is no. They follow signals without understanding why trades are taken at a particular point. And because of that, when losses occur, they become confused and frustrated. The goal is not to copy. The real goal is to learn so that you can become independent. You can think independently. The market rewards understanding, not blind obedience. Next, no focus on survival. Most traders think profit first. Professionals think survival first. Listen, investors don't care about wins, they care about consistency, discipline, and the risk control over time. If you can trade for 30 days without blowing your account, you are already ahead of a lot of traders. That's what investors are looking out for. Forex trading is not about excitement, it's about patience, discipline, and respect. Fix your behavior, fix your risk, fix your mindset. Strategy comes last. If this video made sense to you, like it, comment so that others will learn this truth. Subscribe to Finspoke for honest trading and the financial education. And watch the next video on your screen where I show you how to build discipline and proper risk management as a beginner or a struggling trader. Join my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel. Link in the description. Survive first, grow later. Thank you for watching.